Hello, today we are solving Jan 2025 paper question number 2. Under Canvas Limited produces a wide range of camping equipment at its factory. You are the cost accountant and have been asked to look at the performance of the 10th production department for December week 3. So the F question, okay, to this, evaluate the performance of 10th production department for December week 3. Your evaluation should include some recommendation for the future for the 10th production department. So earlier question was all about the variances. What was the budgeted cost and what was the actual cost that had happened, and you will calculate the variance, okay, of different factors of the labor and material. You had done that in the previous one. Based on that, you will evaluate this question, okay. You will comment on some of the factors which have gone adverse as poor, and the factors that have gone favorable, okay, that favorable to be performing, indicating favorable variances will indicate that they have done well or performed well. Adverse variances will indicate that their performances were poor. So you will have to quote all the ones which you had calculated from earlier. So first one is the labor rate variance. Okay, the labor rate variance was adverse at 51.6. Okay, this was already calculated, okay, from the previous question. In one of the questions they had asked what was your labor rate variance, okay, B3 you had calculated in B3. So you will have to take and you will have to quote, okay, what was your labor rate variance that had happened. Okay, it was at 51.6. So now after comment you will say that the total labor variance, okay, also was at adverse at 86 pounds. Okay, total labor variance was also different, okay, was also at adverse. Then you will have to say what was the reason, okay, the reason for this, why it could have happened, and then you should say, because he's saying you have to give recommendations, give some solutions for this. So this means this is due to having to pay overtime at a higher rate to meet the production target to cover an absence. One of the person was absent, okay. This means this is due to having to pay overtime. So this means somebody else would have worked too much and you would have paid them at the rate of 12.9 instead of a normal 8.6. Okay, so that is what, so to cover his absence and to meet the production target of 180 tons they would have done. So this is what they are saying, that's why the labor rate variance has become adverse than the budgeted one, and the actual labor cost also has increased, okay, than the budgeted one. Possible solutions will include, okay, any include paying overtime at the standard budgeted rate, especially if the production target has not been met. However, okay, you can say that, okay, whoever is working, I'm going to pay only at the standard rate. Okay, you're just covering an absence, but and so thereby I will not be exceeding the cost of paying overtime rates. Okay, so but however this would mean a decrease on the existing rate which workers would not like. Okay, they will not want anybody who are saying, okay, I'm going to pay at the same rate because somebody else is absent and I have to meet the target, they will not be ready to work. So another solution, okay, one solution is this one. Okay, you just put down the condition. Then another solution he is suggesting, we can say that you introduce a piece rate system. Only when you complete those many pieces, I will be able to give you the money. Okay, like that you can introduce piece rate system, then such variances might be avoided. Then labor efficiency variance. Okay, the labor efficiency variance was also adverse. This we had calculated in B2. It was at 34.40 pounds. Okay, it was adverse. So this you have to indicate what might have been the reason. The reason would have been that this may be due to workers completing the job slowly during overtime. Okay, perhaps workers were tired at the end of the day, so they were working overtime but they were like tired, okay, for due to working, and so the efficiency has got decreased. A possible solution could be transfer workers who work elsewhere in the company to the 10th production department, having previously trained them. So you can use, okay, somebody else, okay, transfer the workers who work elsewhere to this department to help them. Or another solution is also you include a reverse pool of temporary labor the company can call up to step up to make the tents. Okay, so any suggestions you should be able to advise. Then there was a material usage variance. Material usage variance was also adverse, and also the total material cost variance was also adverse. Okay, total material cost variance had happened and it was also the adverse. Okay, at 32.76 pounds, which we had calculated in D1, okay, and 4. Okay, all this we had calculated. So and you will have to write the values. So this may be due to 150 square meters more than the budgeted was used, right? So the quantity usage was more than the budgeted. Okay, we can see that actual usage has become more than the budgeted. Okay, which was at 16 times 180. Okay, so the budgeted usage, okay, the like we have they had to use 30 the 2280, but they had used 3030. So this is material usage variance had become greater because it was due to 150 pounds, okay, 150 quantity being used up more. Then, okay, the solutions could include you should be able to train the staff better. Okay, probably there was a wastage, they didn't know how to use it properly, and so they ended up using 150 square meters more than the budgeted. So you should train your staff. You should also be buying, or the reason could be the bought material, some of them were not of good quality and they had to remove some of them. So to this will help you to reduce any wastage. You can also bring in some machinery so that you can accurately use the material. Okay, so that there is no wastage cost. So that is the solution we can offer. Now the overall variance was also adverse, but it seems to be very small. Okay, but you can't write here, you say that overall variance of itself was adverse. Then what are the reasons you can say they have performed well was material price variance was seemed to be favorable. Material price variance, which you had the rate, okay, the rate budgeted minus the actual rates. So the actual rate had become very less. Okay, it was favorable. This was probably because there was still material in the inventory that was purchased at 36 pence. Here one of them was purchased at 36 pence, okay, and it was lower than the budgeted of 38 pence. Okay, 0.38 pence was bought. So this would have helped, okay, them, so to make the rate, okay, average out and become less than 0.38. So this may resulted in the budgeted price being raised for the, however new material has been bought at 0.39, so this can increase the budgeted rate. Okay, in the future you should indicate. Other solution is you can find alternative cheap suppliers to negotiate better prices and to get discounts. Okay, so this is whatever is a budgeted rate, you should be buying the materials at those rates, so to help the cover the cost. Then perhaps the tent production department may be efficient and it is just that the budget was set. You can also, that nothing else was favorable in all the calculation except this material rate variance. So the other factor you could say that the budget was unrealistic, probably it was not real. Okay, it was very less calculated. Okay, rate had been set very less, or the cost calculated were very less than the actual. Maybe the department is not reviewed regularly. If this is the case, the department can be reviewed and the budget can be changed. So you should look into how the department is performing from the previous years and then set the budget. However, okay, for that they are saying the solution here. I am saying I am going, the budget has been unrealistic. This might have happened because there was no reviewing of how the what are the actual costs incurred from the previous years. So you can visit, review, and then set a realistic budget, more realistic budget. However, if they are set for 1 week at a time, it may be reviewed regularly. So keep reviewing your budget and update it regularly. Okay, these are the solutions for finding. Okay, then conclusion. In conclusion, you can say that the tent production department has a total cost variance of 118.80 pounds adverse. Okay, this was an adverse variance. Overall the variance was adverse. however, which means that, okay, this means they have not performed well, okay, performed well, okay, than the budgeted. However, the figures involved are very small. We can see it is just 118.8 pounds. So the labor rate variance is small, and this may be due to the staff being absent here. So the staff worked for 12 hours of overtime also to cover the cost. Here we can see 7 plus 4 plus 1, 12 hours extra time also they have worked to cover his absence, okay, and he was absent, okay, by less than 8 hours. So and they have worked overtime, so they should they have been able to understand and cover the cost. Probably in the future they will do better, okay. So but you can just figure it out by conclusion in saying that they have, the overall adverse for this time has become not bad, and so the performance was bad, but however the figures are seem to be very small, and also the absence hours are being covered